Newton's laws of motion describe the fundamental principles that govern how objects move and interact in our world. These laws aren't just reserved for scientists or engineers. They're part of our everyday lives, shaping everything from a rolling ball in the park to the effort it takes to push a stalled car. Let's explore each law with simple, relatable examples. Newton's first law, often called the law of inertia, tells us that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Imagine you're sitting on a bench and there's a soccer ball lying quietly at your feet. That ball will remain still until you kick it. Similarly, if you roll the ball across a smooth surface, it will keep moving in a straight line, unless it encounters friction from the grass, bumps into a curb, or is stopped by someone's foot. The tendency of the ball to keep doing what it's doing, either resting or moving, is inertia in action. Newton's second law relates force, mass, and acceleration. It states that the force required to move an object depends on its mass and how quickly you want to change its motion. This is captured by the equation: force equals mass times acceleration. Think about pushing a shopping cart at the grocery store. When the cart is empty, it's easy to push and it accelerates quickly. Add a few bags of groceries and it gets heavier. You have to push harder to get it moving at the same speed. Now imagine pushing a car. Because a car is much heavier than a shopping cart, it takes a lot more force to get it rolling. The heavier an object is, the more effort it takes to accelerate it. Newton's third law is all about interactions. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. If you've ever jumped off a small boat onto a dock, you might have noticed the boat moving backward as you leap forward. That's because, as you push against the boat pushes back against you with equal force in the opposite direction. Another everyday example is walking. As your foot pushes backward against the ground pushes you forward, propelling your stride. By understanding Newton's laws, we gain insight into the mechanics of our daily actions, whether we're rolling a ball, pushing a car, or simply taking a step. These laws remind us that physics isn't just theory, it's woven into the fabric of everyday life.